This is a virtual machine disk. It acts like a hard drive for virtual computers. You can actually map it to your Windows PC to browse the files inside without starting the virtual machine. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you how to map it. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the VMDK error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. A VMDK file is a virtual machine disk file used by VMware Virtualization products. It contains the contents of a virtual machine's hard drive, including the operating system, applications, and user data. VMDK files allow users to create and manage virtual machines on their computers. VMDK files are designed to be compatible with VMware's virtualization platform. They can be configured with various parameters such as disk size, disk type, e.g. pre-allocated or dynamically expanding, and disk geometry. The format supports snapshots, allowing users to revert to previous states of the virtual machine. For the VMDK file type, VMware Workstation from VMware is a trusted and reliable source. Windows cannot validate the meaning of the data, so incorrect edits can cause issues. Windows recognizes VM files as data, but cannot execute them without a virtual environment. Your most vital first action is the file association test. Right-click the VMDK file and choose Open With. If VMware Workstation is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, use VMware Workstation Player. Open the file using the required virtualization software, either VMware Workstation, Paid, or the free VMware Player or VirtualBox. Next, check for Descriptor file. Ensure the small descriptor file containing configuration settings is present alongside the large data file, or use a tool to manually recreate it. Finally, use VDISKMANAGER. If the file is corrupted, use the VMware VDISKMANAGER .exe utility from the VMware install directory, with the R parameter to attempt repair and conversion. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.